Hi everyone, this is Jill Cornelius, creative partner with Kiwi Lane. My creative partner number is 247096. And today I'm going to share with you the April 2024 Kiwi Club Kit titled It's a Spring Thing. I've already seen the pictures. I know what it looks like, but I'm still going to share because, more than one person sharing the Kiwi Club Kit and their thoughts on it. It's a plus because you might get different ideas from different people. When you receive your Kiwi Club Kit, you have the box and it has the digital idea book QR code right there. You take a picture of it with your camera and it brings you over to the PDF. It has a cute little sticker on it that it's sort of a sneak peek of what the kit is. Really, really cute. And I love the little camera there. Just a reminder. So let's open it up. If there's any glare, I apologize. I'll take it out of the plastic as soon as I can. But I want to show. This is what it looks like. Let's take it out of the plastic anyway. As you can see on the corners, there's these handy dandy photo corners. That protects your paper from any wrinkles, tears, bending. And you can save them if you want. I have like 2 boxes full. Yeah, I've been saving them. I don't know what for. So let's open this up. In each of the Kiwi Club kits that you receive, if you get the master kit, you'll have the template set that's this month, the digital idea book QR code, and a QR code for save the date, where you log into the community, and there's community events just for this kit. The pairing templates that go with this kit are the new ovals, Sunnybrook Lane, the thank you card kit, and the Briar Crescents. Briar Crescents and the ovals are brand new, so I urge you to go and purchase those so that you can create beautiful pages because you'll see what you can use them with. I myself don't have them yet. I'm sort of one of those budget crafters where I will get it, but I need to save the money up first, just like many of you. Each Kiwi Club kit comes with the designer template set specifically designed for this kit. Also, there are 12 by 12 80-pound pattern paper sheets, which are double-sided. This includes 3 main sheets, 3 supporting sheets, 6 background sheets, and 11 meaningful title cards, as well as the designer template kit that was created just for this one. You'll see down here that on the sheet that it gives you ideas and options for what the theme that you can create with the kit. Those include springtime joy, hopeful memories, Easter bliss. But I have some other ones that you could use it for also. Not just Easter and Easter bunny, but baby shower, baby girl. Get the feeling here? I'm thinking that this has more than one use than what they've used here. In this kit, you can create at least 3 2-page scrapbook layouts or 6 1-page layouts. So those of you who create 1-page layouts, perfect kit for you. So let's put this away. Oh, there's also several page ideas here for you to show you, well, to give you a sketch on how to create or what you can create with this, but it's not just limited to these. So let's go through the papers first. Photo corners. I'm going to go through each page and I'm going to give you my thoughts on what I like. Change the light a little bit. No, just leave it off. Very, very pretty. It looks like postage stamps and scallop frames. So there is another template kit that has a scallop frame in it. I don't have it set outside right now. That you can make photo frames with that to go with this. Be really, really pretty. There's ovals, both vertical and horizontal, that you could make page frames. So this is side A, and this is side B. They're both really, really pretty, and you could combine the two. So I'm not sure really which one I'm going to use. I might use the combination. So I'm going to go side A and side B. This is like a light pink wallpaper, pink and blue. Could be used for Easter and baby pages, baby showers. Let's get some light. See if that helps a little. Baby showers, Easter, oh, bridal parties maybe? Bridal showers, excuse me. Side A. Side B. Ooh, that's really pretty, isn't it? I like that. Let me, ooh, look at that. Look at that pattern paper. I really like that one. See if this helps a little bit. Does it? Oh, that's better. That's it. So this is side A. Really, really pretty. I like this paper. Really pretty. But I like any kind of plaid design like this. Side A. Side B. Really, really pretty green. Just can't get the light right today. I apologize for that. It's like overcast out a little bit. Side A. Side B. I really like this one. So I'm probably going to use this one. The next sheet has all these chevron, it's like a chevron dot pattern. Side A, side A, side B. If you notice that when I receive my paper, if they have the chevrons or the stripes or something going one way, I always turn it this way because that's how I see it. Either with the chevrons going up or the chevrons while still going up. Yeah, up, down, up, down. Okay. Really cute paper. I just wouldn't use this for an entire page. I'd probably use bits and pieces of it. So side A, side B. I really like side B. It reminds me of a wallpaper. Remember Chatterbox used to have wallpapers? The wallpaper designs, I really liked those. So side B. Bunnies. I like the bunnies. I like that paper. It's really, really pretty. It's like a burnt orangish reddish. I'll say burnt red. Like a pepper color maybe. Side A. Side B. Really, really pretty. It's a blue with a little white stripe design in it. But I like the bunnies. So side A. Now, this is a pretty paper. Flowers and little ladybugs in it. Cute. Cute. I like the little flowers there. And there's a template. I have a template somewhere for that shape. I gotta find it. So my desk is a mess. Side A. Side B. We're gonna go with side A because I don't do lavender and I don't do purple. I really don't do orange either, but I like this one. So side A. The next sheet, there's two of this really, really pretty. I'm gonna call it an turquoise blue, maybe? Side A, side B. It reminds me of Easter eggs. We'll do one of each. Side A and side B. Here's another of that pepper color, I'm going to call it. Side A. Side B. I don't know which one I like, so we'll do one of each. And finally, we have this pretty bluish, it's a bluish green. Side A, side B. More Easter egg colors to me, actually. Probably do one of each. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave these here, and I'm gonna gather these up here. So we're gonna go through the cards next. I enjoy going through my kit with everyone. That way they know what they're getting. Please remember, you have until the 20th of the month, if you like this particular kit, to join the Kiwi Club. All you have to do is go online. I will provide links to you directly to the Kiwi Club, as well as my Facebook group and my Kiwi Club, actually my Kiwi Lane website. So let's go through the cards. The first one has that dotted chevron design on it. It's cute. If you don't like the chevron design, the dots on it, you can always turn it over and use the purple, but I won't be doing that. So I might cover this up with something else if I didn't want to use it. It's funny because my best friend's favorite color is purple. Take joy in the little things. Side A. Side B. Pretty yellow. I like those. Bunny tails. Okay, Easter, yes. But baby showers too. don't hold out against baby showers and baby pictures and things like that, especially if it's bunny themed or even if it's not bunny themed. It's a really, really cute card that you could use to journal baby things. Side A, side B, that purple. I'm sorry. I'm nothing against the card, but I'm just not a purple fan. I know. We love because he first loved us. Side A, side B. If you're a religious person, that's for you. If you're not a religious person, then turn it over to the other side. It has a really pretty flowery imprint design on it. Happy Easter, the hunt is on. Easter egg hunts. I really do love the colors of this kit. And I love that little bunny. Side A, side B. Happiness multiplies like rabbits here. Side A, side B. Scoot those up. But I really like that little bunny card, so we're going to put that there. Nothing makes me happier than you. Now you can get a template and you can cut that out with a template to make it the curved, the ovalish shape. Of course you can do that. So that's side A. That's side B, the pretty green. The greatest gift of life are hope and family. Side A. Side B. And then there are these 4 little cards. Nobody loves you like I do. A little journaling card with a little lamb. Beautiful spring, simply lovely. And they're really pretty pastel colors for Easter. But I want to stress, you can use it for baby too. You know? Nothing going on here really. It reminds me of a baby kit. So let's do the templates. And I do have some ideas for these, but I'm really not going to share my template ideas in depth because the last time I did that, someone took my idea and posted it as their own, including my wording, exact wording. I kid you not. And I am on many message boards, so it was mine. So the title of the template set is Spring Fever. Really, really pretty scalloped oval. I like scallops. I use scallops on almost every single page. Well, I use it a lot. But I like this because it'll go really well with the ovals and the briar crescents that just came out. The measurements on this template are almost 10 3/4 by 8 3/8. So that's a pretty big template, and it takes up a lot of the page. And then we have, well, number 1 of 6 is this really, really cute little scallop oval. Really cute. You can make it as an egg. You know those designer eggs that they make, not the Fabergé ones, but the Easter ones, the sugar eggs, I think it is. You could make one like this with this. Really, really cute. And the title of the template set is called Spring Fever. It has the number and how many are in the set. So this is 1 of 6, and the larger oval, scalloped oval, is 6 of 6. So we'll just put that in there. We have a banner, Spring Fever, 5 of 6, and it fits right over that title. Pretty good, huh? So all you have to do is trace it, cut it out, and ink it. So that's number 5 of 6. Number 4 of 6 is this flower. I'll probably be using this a lot. I like flowers. Super cute. Number 4 of 6. Oh, I didn't measure these, did I? Sorry. So it measures 1 3/4 by 2 1/4, we'll say. This measures, well, it's almost 5 1/2, but from the top to the bottom here, it's about 2 3/4. But it goes really nice right on the frame. Or if you wanted to, you could put it down here at the bottom. Up to you. And then put the flower there. The flower measures 4 1/2 and from the widest parts, 2 3/8. But then you have the really cuteness, a little lamb, which makes me think of babies, you know, flowers, ovals, scallops, pastel colors. The greatest gifts of life are hope from family. It's a baby themed kit to me. So it's really, really cute. If you wanted to, you could put some little googly eyes on there. I have ideas on how to dress him up that they did not include in the PDF, so I'll have to probably make a couple lambs and showcase what I can do with it. And then the final template is Spring Fever number 206. A bunny! Isn't he cute? Now I've seen it on other places where they have the bunnies going around the frames. So you could do that if it's just a plain oval, or you could just have them on the corner. But I have a layout that I created last week. It's not done yet. That I think the bunny would look really cute on. You know? I think the bunny would look cute going across. You know, or there, or here, just somewhere. There's going to be a bunny on this page, and I will come back to share it with you. So this is the April 2024 Kiwi Club Kit. It's called It's a Spring Thing. You have until the 20th of the month to sign up with the Kiwi Club Kit to receive that kit. Not this kit, this is mine. This kit is the one you would receive. That's for me. And I hope you join us. Lots and lots of crafters love this kit. Some other craft companies have gone out of business lately. Close to my heart is one of them. But Kiwi Club Kit is still here, and we'd love to have you. I'll put all the information down below in the description, as well as all the links to my Facebook page, my website, and directly to the Kiwi Club Kit. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.